cooking during a pandemic in your underwear. Now, we have some eggs and ham, the way Dr. Seuss likes. Now keep in mind, the ham is already cooked. It's ready to eat. You're just heating it up. You just want it to be nice and hot so it tastes good with the eggs, which are hot. Okay? Now you want to have a ton of eggs during a pandemic because they don't really go bad. You keep your fridge closed most of the time, the eggs are going to last a long time. Now, also over here we got some toast. Bada bing, bada boom. With some butter on it. You want to have a lot of butter, a lot of bread. Keep it in the refrigerator or freezer if you're gluten-free and you got that gluten-free bread. And you want those eggs, protein, ham, good stuff like this. You know, it'll last a little while. Eat your meats first before they go bad. The eggs will last longer than the meats, you know, so I like to get rid of the meats first, then I go to the eggs and yada yada. But if you don't have a lot of bacon, you want to mess with the eggs and ham, that's a good way to go. Pandemic cooking in 1 minute and 10 seconds. Holla at your boy.